Outstanding Civic Servant, Dr. Michael Mix Kevin Eustaquio, Chief Executive Officer and Founder, Legacy Crown Advertising Corporation. Our awardee is a multi-awarded young CEO and doctor, serving as founder and Chief Executive Officer of Legacy Crown Advertising Corporation, a company engaged in advertising, events management, and creative production, to receive the award together with his lovely wife.
Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, and to the Public Attorney's Office led by our beloved Dr. Persida Rueda Acosta. Actually, it is a truly honor for us as an advertising company to receive as one of the greatest award and for this year as an outstanding civic servant. And being one of the youngest charter president and award-giving body here in the Philippines, this is a truly serve as a testament that I need to continue my legacy and to inspire and to help other people. So before any title and award, it has had a simply dream for me, is to build the community that uplifts Filipinos, help them rise and recognize around the world. That vision became my advocacy and led into the birth of my advertising company and award-giving body, and also the organization of the Legacy Crown, a platform that empowers Filipino to take a pride, their identity, and excellence. So as a young entrepreneur and also a founder of Pinoy Pandesal Corporation, with our goal in our company is to provide a quality food for every community. And also it served as a service name for every Filipino that Pinoy Pandesal is a tatak Pinoy that provides and give a legacy of expertise and excellence to every food in every table of our family in the community. And for this, and I know that this belongs to the recognition of my Legacy Crown family, this award serves as an excellence and also to the new and also to the young entrepreneur and to the young aspirant of being a leader, that no one can be a leader in a time of limit of your age, but it is about the heart for you to serve the people and for you to give remarkable excellence to our nation. So be proud as a Filipino, and mabuhay ang PAO, ang Public Attorney's Office, at mabuhay ang ating napakahusay na attorney Persida Acosta. Maraming salamat po.